Have you ever wondered why someone would go through the trouble of making homemade yogurt for the probiotic benefits when they could just pop a pill? Well, I wondered that too. Stick around, I have some answers for us both. I have vowed to try making homemade yogurt with the probiotic Lactobacillus reuteri. I'm not really sure. Why? Because this white hat gut bacteria, once abundant in humans, has now been virtually wiped out. 96% of us no longer have a colony of Lactobacillus reuteri. Hosting this little guy can do wonders, can boost our natural antibodies, improve our skin, shrink our waistline, even boost oxytocin, the feel good hormone. I think I feel good, but I can always feel better, right? But here's the thing, I have never made yogurt before. And when I read the method, I saw that we need to use a yogurt maker, or at least the method that I'm being shown uses a yogurt maker. And although maybe I could try it without, I figured why risk it? I, I wouldn't try to fry an egg without a skillet, right? So I ordered the yogurt maker, the probiotic capsules, and the inulin on Amazon, and I'm just waiting for delivery. While I wait, I've been geeking out on these ingredients. Let me give you the highlights. Number one, the L-Reuteri. This is going to arrive in a capsule. And this is what made me think, why don't I just take the capsules? We'll get around to that. But it is the star. And this balances gut microbiota, boosts immunity, reduces inflammation. As I said before, can improve our skin, our stress levels. It sounds like a superstar. I want some. Inulin. What is inulin? It is a prebiotic fiber found in foods like chicory root and garlic. Inulin feeds the probiotics, thickens the yogurt, and creates the perfect environment for our little L-Reuteri critters to thrive. And then I will be just picking up half and half at my local grocery. The fat content in the half and half makes the yogurt rich and creamy, perfect for fermentation, and it also helps us absorb fat soluble vitamins. As I was ordering those capsules of L-Reuteri, I was wondering why not just take those capsules? But I looked into it, and here's why yogurt beats capsules every time. Number one, sheer numbers. A serving of yogurt has billions, maybe even trillions of live active bacteria, which is many times more than you're going to find in a pill. Number two, the prebiotics are included. Capsules don't usually come with prebiotics like inulin, which help the probiotics thrive, but you've got both in your yogurt. Nutrition galore. Yogurt also delivers protein and calcium and magnesium, and the capsules, not so much. There's also this protective matrix. Yogurt's food matrix shields the probiotics from stomach acid better than most pills can. So the acid isn't going to destroy the probiotics before the probiotics can take root in our gut. And finally, let's not forget this is economical. Once you have made your first batch, you can use a little to seed the next batch, saving you money. So we're going to have yogurt for days. We're just going to have to keep replenishing, I guess, our half and half. And that's going to be a lot less expensive than more bottles of pills. And oh, I don't know, fingers crossed. I'm hoping it tastes amazing. Would you rather enjoy a creamy, wholesome cup of yogurt or swallow a pill? Yeah, I know what I'd choose. So I am ready to dive into this Reuteri revival. And if you're curious too, check out the recipe and method on Dr. William Davis's site, or watch the inspiring interview he did with Dr. Eric Berg. I'll leave the links in the description below. I'm hoping next week I will share how my first batch came out. Fingers crossed it will be as delicious as I imagine. And I'm wondering now, if you are still there listening to me, Have you made yogurt before? Thank you for leaving your yogurt making tips in the comments below. And thank you for hitting the like button. And thank you for spending time with me today. If you're interested in more tips on clean, low carb eating, I have a couple of links in the description below. Otherwise, until next time, stay strong, wise, kind, and good by choosing good food for good health. YouTube thinks you'll like this video next.